Hey friends, today we have a super fun video for you. We want to test you. How well do you know Indiana Beach? So every now and then I'm going to pop up, I'm going to ask you what a sound is, I'm going to pause so that you can hear the sound, and then afterwards you'll see where the sound came from. Okay, ready? Here we go with our first one. It's the Easter Island Heads near Pronto Pups. Did you get it right?
Hey everybody, are you ready for the next one?
Okay, that was a tricky one. Actually, a lot of these are tricky because there's so much background noise that unless you're here, it's hard to say. So here's another one. There's some loud music playing behind it. So try to think of places where you're gonna hear loud music and then also listen to the background. Ready? Here we go.
Ahoy there! Show your colors. Only certified members of the Target Brotherhood are allowed on that car. The whole company fucking you is as deep the bunch of parents as ever sailed the bottom coast.
Here we go with another one. Don't be fooled by the background picture. And of course, the carousel. They're calling it Rocky's Roundup, but it's a carousel. How have you been doing? Have you been doing good? I hope so. It was the tiger. Those brakes are unmistakable. Okay guys, we have one more Guess That Sound for you, and here's a hint. Do you see what's around me? This should give it away pretty easy. Let me know if you enjoyed this. A couple of the rides weren't up, so we couldn't really do those. I guess we could try again later if you guys like this, but just a little something fun to shake up the YouTube videos. Okay friends, that's it for our video today. I think this gives it away. It's the Music Express.
Yeah, I was gonna say that.
We were. Okay, so that's it, and we will